Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record payment received using Gnucash. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Gnucash application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to wait a moment while your financial data loads up. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your file, so just be patient as everything gets ready. Now, to record a payment received, you'll first need to select the specific account where you want this payment to be recorded. This is important because it determines where the money will be tracked in your accounting system. After selecting your account, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll see the Business tab. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various business-related options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your cursor over the Customer option. When you do this, the menu will expand to show you additional choices related to customer transactions. From this expanded menu, look for and click on Process Payment. This is the feature that allows you to officially record incoming payments from your customers into your accounting system. After clicking Process Payment, a new window will pop up on your screen. This is where you'll enter all the relevant details about the payment you've received. Start by filling out the customer fields at the top of this window. Make sure to select the correct customer from the list so the payment gets attributed to the right person or business. This ensures your accounts receivable stays accurate and up to date. Next, you'll need to select the Post to Account from the drop-down menu provided. In most cases, this will be your accounts receivable account, which tracks money owed to you by customers. Selecting the correct account here is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring everything balances properly in your books. Now move down to the bottom part of the window where you'll see fields for the transaction date and payment amount. Enter the exact date when the payment was received. This date is important for your financial reporting and tax records, so make sure it's accurate. Then, in the payment amount field, type in the exact amount of money you received from the customer. Once you've filled in all these details and double-check that everything is correct, click the OK button to finalize and record the payment. The system will process this information and update your accounts accordingly, reducing the customer's outstanding balance and increasing your cash or bank account balance. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a payment received in Gnucash, keeping your financial records accurate and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.